for watching my video. This video is a part 2 of multi-threading in Python, and I will introduce lock in this video. Basically, there are two kinds of lock: rlock and the lock, normal lock. Here we have two instances: a lock instance and a rlock instance. We define two functions here. Function f0. The parameter L is a lock. First, this function will acquire this lock. L dot acquire. Then we'll print f0 got lock, sleep for a while. Just sleep for 5 seconds. Then print f0 gonna release the lock. Then f0 release this lock. L dot release. Function f1. The parameter L, a lock, is also a lock. First, here we wait for the keyboard input. Input to continue. Then f1, here we will call f dot acquire this lock. When he acquires this lock, he will print f1 gonna release the lock. Release this lock. We have two child threads here. The first thread, target if f0. Argument args is the lock, the normal lock. And the second thread, target is f1. The args is also this lock, the normal lock. We start two threads here. Let's run and see. From the output, let me explain the output. f0 got lock, sleep for a while, because f1 is still blocked here, waiting for the keyboard input. So f0, he got the lock. And they print f0 got the lock, sleep for a while. Then type enter. I type enter, oh no. I typed enter here, so f1 block here, block as an acquire. f0 sleep for 5 seconds and release this lock. It's called l.release. Then f1 got returned from this line and print f1 gonna release this lock. We could see f0 releases lock. f1 acquires this lock. Then f1 releases lock. But what if we do not call acquire here? What will happen? Let's see. Okay, f1 release the lock. Okay, f0 got exception because the lock is already been released by another thread. Another thread, f1. f1 did not acquire this lock, it just releases lock. Then f0 got exception. So if you acquire this lock here, you must remember to release it. So usually I prefer to use there's a context here, with L. With L. And we don't need to acquire and release with L. Let's see. Remember, always use with L. But what will zero occur to log again mean? Occur to log again. Let's see what will happen. Okay. Actually, F0 will die here because no one gonna release this log. Yeah, F1 will block forever and F0 will block forever because no one releases this log. Picture C. Okay. Let's see the R-log. R-log is very interesting. It could be occur again, but same thread, the same thread. Remember the same thread. Yeah, we use R-log as a parameter. Then we could see that we occur again. Okay, let's see. See, F0 got the log, and F1 first a block here, and we tapped enter, then F1 block at this line occurs this log, but even we can't release this log. The log has been released. F1 still blocked. What happened? Yeah, because we acquired this log for 2 times, we should release it for 2 times. Yeah, release it for 2 times. See? Okay, then we wait F0 to release the log. Yeah, F0 release the log, and F1 F0 acquired this log for 2 times, and he releases this log for 2 times. And F1 acquires this log when this log is totally released by F0. R-log is also supports context manage. I also prefer use with the context manager. Use these. Always use these. Yeah, the output is identical as the same as our last input, last output. Okay, thank you. Today is all the content about log and R-log. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.